I love to sew, but yes, I am lazy and I am sure some of you are too. Well, if you're like me and you like shortcuts and like to get straight to the point, then this is the channel for you. Here we are going to explore all different types of sewing skills and have fun with it. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, this is the place to be. But if you're new to this and want to get to know all the parts and what they do, definitely check out the beginner playlist. It's got you covered. I am not here to just show you how to thread a machine, that's not really my vibe. But if you're like me and you just want to get straight to the fun stuff, then keep watching. In this series, we are going to learn all about sergers. Now I love sergers. They are my favorite machine by far. But yes, they can be intimidating at first. So we're gonna start with the basics and work our way up. So if you're looking for something specific, just check out the playlists. You'll find exactly what you're looking for. And if not, just ask. Now I have a playlist for each type of project and each type of machine. And if you like what you see, give a like and let me know in the comments. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. We're gonna explore all the fun stuff and not worry about the small details. And now without further ado, let's get to know each other a little bit. I'm a self-taught sewer, picking up skills from my grandma when I was a kid, plus tons of YouTube videos and online tutorials. It's been such a fun journey. I absolutely love sewing and sharing what I learn with you all. You could say I am totally hooked on collecting them, from vintage Kenmore gems to the latest budget-friendly models from China. I've got over 24 sewing and embroidery machines. This channel is for the lazy in you. So let's go.